In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a list in Trello. If you're looking to streamline your Trello board by removing unnecessary lists, then this guide is perfect for you. Let's start by heading over to your web browser and navigating to the Trello website at trello.com. Once you've reached the home page, you'll want to log into your account. You can do this by clicking on the login button located at the top right corner of the page. After clicking, you'll be presented with two options, either logging in with your email or using your Google account. Choose whichever method is more convenient for you, enter your credentials and hit the login button to access your Trello dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see the Boards tab. That's where you need to go next. Click on Boards to bring up all the boards that you are currently working on. Locate the section called Your Workspaces. This section will list all the boards you have under different workspaces. For this tutorial, you will need to click on the specific board where the list you want to delete is located. After selecting the right board, you'll be taken to its main page where you can see all your lists and cards. Now find the list you wish to delete. Next to the name of each list, you'll see the three-dot menu, also known as the Options menu. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there select the option Archive this list. Archiving is essentially the first step toward deleting the list. Think of it as placing the list into a holding area before getting rid of it entirely. With your list archived, the next thing you need to do is go to the upper right corner of the screen and click on the three dots again, which acts as a menu button for board settings. Select archived items from this list. Now you're in the archived items section. You'll see an option that says switch to lists. Click that option, which will show you all the lists you've archived in this board. Look for the list you want to delete. Once you spot it, you'll notice a little trash can icon next to it. Click on that icon to initiate the delete process. Finally, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision. Click on Delete to permanently remove the list from your Trello board. And there you have it, the list has now been successfully deleted from your Trello board. By following these steps, you can keep your boards well organized and clutter-free, ensuring that your workflow remains as efficient as possible.